Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which platform your Call of Duty mobile account is tied to, because recovery routes differ. Once done, collect your email address, phone number, device ID, and any proof like receipts or screenshots. These prove ownership. Make sure you can access the linked email or social login during verification. Now open the game or Activision account site and keep these details at hand. Doing this first prevents delays and makes the next steps smooth and fast. Next, go to Activision support or use the in-game help to open an account recovery ticket. This is the most direct path. Fill out every field accurately: your Activision ID if known, platform type, email and device model, and attach proof such as purchase receipts or screenshots. Explain when you last accessed the account and include approximate creation or season progress dates. Be concise but thorough, because detailed submissions reduce back and forth and speed up verification. Finally, monitor support replies and respond quickly to any verification requests. Delays can stall recovery. When approved, follow instructions to link the correct platform, reset your password, and immediately enable two-factor authentication if available to prevent future loss. If support asks for more information, provide precise timestamps, transaction ID, or device serial numbers to strengthen your case. If recovery is denied, reopen the ticket with added proof and a clear timeline.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.